Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special. And right now I'm in Border Town. I want to make some shopping, and that's how my video starts, from around here. Okay. Haya, pai. Nanasi kwanza, si pai. Okay guys, so on this vlog okay. Haya, weka machungwa. Tafuta kimfuko mkubwa. I'm telling him to look bigger stuff. Oh. Haya. Unaniuzia kama bongo. we have passion, eh? Okay, banana. We have this improved one. Okay. Haya, wanzia watermelon, uone nzuri. Hii kubwa ni ngapi? Acha mambo yako wewe. Acha mambo yako. Kubwa tutamaliza. Tafuta medium. Nipe ya 200. So guys, we want to start with the watermelon, and then we have the machungwa yako leo yana visirani. No guys, each and every time. So this is what we call bumpy banana in Jamaica. Vitu zako zitaanguka. Haya, weka hiyo. Ukate tuone. So we need to check whether the watermelon is just, well and fantastic. Kama haijaiva vizuri utafanya na ushaka.
Iko kama hiyo yenye iko hapo. Sasa hakuna melon yenye haijaiva.
Hisi nyekundu kiasi.
Alafu ni kama imeachana.
Si ndio? Wamekuuzia mbichi. Tafuta nyekundu kama hii. We need like this, guys.
Imeiva lakini
yeah, she was my customer, guys. Woo. That's one, the best one, guys. Aye. We start with watermelon and then machungwa, oranges.
hivi ni 100.
Mama nigonga guys. Naya.
I'm 70 baht.
Okay. Haya.
Yote ya 200 haya?
Weka ya 200. Kwani mbona yako kara tofauti?
Haya, sema tena
Sweke. Naona yameharibika. Hadi ni mbaya.
Sijakuwekea hiyo. Natafuta tu chungwa moja.
Bana yameiva sana.
Yalikuja akiwa hivyo lakini ndani yako sawa. Ninafanya tu naisikia hivi sawa.
Kama hakuna weke yenye yako. Haya, weka hii. This fashion. Mbona shingapi? 50.
Zinakuwa hivyo. Tano.
Weka za 100. Weka hii. Za 100. 100.
Siweke hii.
Gani?
Weke hii. Weke na hii.
Kwa hiyo si tamu.
Zote ni tamu. Lakini si nimeona iko na nini kubwa.
Haya. Haya. Hii apple. This an apple. Hiyo shingapi?
Hapa ni 250.
Kwani moja ni 50? Weka za 100. Weka 3. So this is pineapple, guys, you know. Apple, not pineapple. Na una sweet. Tofauti na eka hii nyingine sijanunua. Weka paipai nzuri. Need to buy papaya, guys. Kosa. As you watch these videos, guys, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like. What's next? Haya ni matamu haya.
Mazuri.
Weka mbili. Online. So this is avocado. And also I will buy bumpy banana. I think this one here. Sweets ndo hauna.
Sweet ni moto.
Kwani kwa mama hakuna?
Mama inamba sweet.
Kwenda huko mbele.
Unajua leo watu wanaenda soko.
So I need to customize. I think right here.
Ayo mzungu.
Vipi mara?
Aje mzungu.
Aya mama nipe sweets.
Ya, pana kukosa ngapi?
Leta zote hii. Venye umeshikia hivyo tuachana na hizo zote. Na hizi mbona umeweka hapo?
Si
Mara nyingi. Hivyo, shingapi?
250.
Haya, 250. Teka na maembe. Ile siana maembe.
Maembe ya ngapi?
Yenye yameiva, this mango, guys. And it's coming from other side.
Niweke mangapi? Mangapi?
Unaekaje?
30 moja.
1, 2, 3. Weka mia. Hivyo? Haya. Na chungu unaekaje?
Chungwa ni
50.
400.
Haya weka. Chagua yale magumu magumu. So guys, today I need to customize them.
Niweke ya ngapi?
Mia tu. Haya weka na and also I want to buy cucumber for a kai ndogo ndo atakuwa. Shinga
40 bob.
So you know cucumber, guys, it's clean the kidney and also wash the blood. Haya, leta hizo. Bas. Na pikipiki kwa hapo. Sokoro. Haya. Ndizi utaeka. Acha leta hizo.
Beetroot niko nayo.
Gani?
Beetroot.
Ziko wapi?
Beetroot naishi hapa.
Mimi sijai kula kitu kama hii.
Tunaenda kutengeneza
Juice? Hamna.
Sio juice.
Sasa wanapaswa kuna maji ndani ama?
Hiyo una menu na blend na juice. Hii ya kuongeza damu. Ya kuongeza damu.
This beetroot, okay. Haya. Guys, today is a super special videos and it's a fantastic day. Okay. Umepiga zako?
Maembe ni ngapi? 100. Matunda ya 100.
Kidogo tu.
200. Plus 250. Sweet ni ngapi moja? 100. Alafu kachane kamoja nimemuuzia 100. Plus 40.
490. Haya. Kuichi mbele. Taacha pesa.
Sawa.
Maiki kone. Kama gunesi ya hiki.
Na maji yako ni.
Na yako imekuwa ngapi?
Mimi na 1000 na kurudisha 10. 1000 na kurudisha 10. 99. Hizo ndizo.
Yako ishafika 1000.
Tayari. Tapika tu na wewe hapo.
Haina shida. Wewe kama ushapiga umepiga kana ndizi. Okay. Ishi ngapi?
50. Hapa 50. Hapa 100. Naongeza ndizi mbili unakuwa 150.
Mbona nisikupe 100 yote? Guys, imagine the whole of this banana goes to $1. Haya. Haina shida, wewe weka. Tawatumia kwa simu. Pretty kofa. So guys, today my family will enjoy. Haina shida mama. Acha pige. Yeye mwenyewe ndo anajiita. Ni komoja. Sima avocado yangu ni mawili alikuwa. Yenye naona hapo. Haya. Mom. Papai ni naye. Unauzaje mine? Iko ni reng.
Mia.
Haya. Aganda wakata ni reng. Jambiri. Delta. Okay guys. So I need to customize each and every one around. Kuna maembe mengine hapa. Sasa sijui atakaa juu. Haiwezi haribu ndizi.
Mangapi?
Yako kama ya 200.
Wewe ni nini?
Wewe umeona ni nini?
Unaona kitu kinamulika watu.
Haya.
Mama kuna maembe ya 200.
Niambie pesa yote itakuwa ngapi? Haya mama, asante.
Sawa.
Okay.
Hapo ni 200.
Imagine guys, all of these mangoes goes to 200 shillings. That's around $2. Oh.
Imekuwa 1840.
Haya. Sawa. Si uyapange, hizi yatapasua ndizi.
Naona ni sumbua.
Hiyo paipai itakula leo. Kwani ulikuwa na cucumber? Si basi ni yangu.
Si kuna cucumber.
Ni yangu nimenunua huko. Sawa, si ni hivi.
Uende na msha.
Nataka.
Je, kunywa juice ya beetroot?
Guys, no idea. Guys, nitakuja nikuive baadaye. Naleta 1000. Hapana. Naleta 1840. Haya. Kwani dereva wangu atakula nini? Tangi change.
Sasa mboga itakaa. Hapo sasa si nikunywe nikule ndizi ya tena.
Na dereva wangu atakula nini?
Moja. Mimi nakula 10 bob.
Siko na fulani kuna mfuko.
Sasa mboga utaenda kuweka wapi?
Si ningebeba, siwezi yangu. Haya. Atakupa ma. Okay guys, I want to buy some veggies here. Vegetable. Yangu kurishi nswega. Touch. Oh look. That's my bike. This is my neighbor. Because I didn't trust people in border town. Eh?
Karibu sana.
Msaka unapimaje?
Napima 30 baba.
Ache wirure. Ni charero.
Nitakurata ingine ndio hii. Ni ile imepigwa nini?
Haya. Imepigwa rigoro. Weka za 100. So this saga here. Tari ambe ntako turicha. Hey. Dikomba hurubai. Ama nigo hapo hotel.
Hapa hotel.
Ile wateja mama.
Yule mama ndio hapo. Ndio hii.
Haya, mweke huyu zaki mafungu mawili.
Nunua pale mfuko papa. Acha nikuletee mfuko wa 10.
Guys, I want to support my brother also to go with the veggies to their homes. We.
Nunua mafungo mawili.
Si umesema ni 30. Haya. Nasikia uruga.
Unasikia?
Wallahi. Mama yangu ni mkisi.
Ndio maana nimemwambia nataka upige hiyo kitu ionekane.
Nasikia. So this is for my brother. Enjoy bro. Si nimemshika ndio kazi. Inakuwa ngapi mama?
Inakuwa 17. 120. Ile ni 67. Plus 1, 17.
Bila wizi.
Yaani sasa mimi ndio nionekana vizuri.
Haina shida.
17 tunarudisha
30.
Pokera data ya Kenya, ya Tanzania mbwato. Data tatu tutoramwa.
Mokeira umeuza nini Mokeira? Mokeira, umetuzia nini? Mpe hiyo 30. 40 plus 10 yake. Acha ninunue hapa mboga. Tutame. Chinyanya. Ochire. Nataka yale mama. Haya. Sasa kuna nsaga humu.
Tuna nini sasa ina shida? Yeah, ina shida kabisa ya ngapi?
Wewe kama mafungu mangapi unekaje?
30.
Hayo nkuirorore.
Hamna takwirira.
Nimetoka kwa msichana huko mama.
Niweke mafungo mangapi? Nimeweka mawili.
Yametosha.
Mawili yametosha.
Irenga. Wallahi ntonyirimie. Akia Mungu. Yeah.
Leo nisaidie change ya 50. Usentorea 10 mbele.
Acha ninunue nyanya huko. Ntatomera umutisha mama. Acha nite nyanya. 10 bob. Okay guys. There's one calling me. I want to buy some tomatoes. John! Ekiore. Umotejona?
I want you to give me just 50 bob. I want to do something there.
Which one? Which something?
I know.
Which something? Be honest. Food?
Yeah. Just take tea.
Where?
I have a hotel there. Where
So you need food?
Yeah.
Wait me here. Okay. Matunda. Hi.
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Hey.
I can see.
Yeah, I'm budgeting here.
Budgeting something.
Yeah, buying some fruits, veggies. Nchairengu kupima uwe. Introduce yourself.
Hello guys, this is Tembe 001. We always appreciate the love and support that you are giving us by watching our video. Thank you so much for always supporting my brother Hello Baby.
Yeah, man.
Always needs like ground like this one, you know?
Yeah.
So even me, I want to buy their vegetable.
Oh, vegetable and also fruits?
No. I want to buy the other one like...
Okay, cabbage.
Yeah.
Okay, you go.
The big one.
Okay. You know, life is simple in our village here.
Yeah,
because we're staying in Tanzania. Yeah, man.
Actually in the border.
Okay.
These are from the other side, from this
Yes, exchanging.
together. Bro.
I am. Irenga shi. We. Maana nda kuri chincha mie kumukungwa ni chinchero. Oh, mimi gong. Uri ni tu ni gong. Uri ni tu ni gong. Guys, all of this goes to 100 shillings. Oh my god. Ah yeah. You connect. Tourist. Utaweza na? Utaweza? Guys, she needs to join YouTube. Okay, mimi naweza connect. Suna simu. Haya, takuja. Acha nipeleke kwanza nyanya nyumbani. Sawa. Haya. Jone. Uwe. Haya, wewe nisubiri. This tomato, guys. Nirenonga ndaire. Nenda tamamba kakua mengi. Wewe chukue huko. Achana naye. Bora town. Some looking some deal. Nipire mafuta.
Kilo 10 ama?
Koroboke na. Leo hayako kwenye bonus ikiwa na sabuni. Irenga? Haya. Guys, I'm in shop, boy. I'm in shop here. So I'm buying some stuff. I have one of friend here, you know, need something to eat.
Yeah,
but no money for liquor.
We are going to search for something that you can eat.
Where?
Just.
You are going to hand.
Huh?
Hapa ama hapa? Unakunywaga wapi? Kana mbera busini cha huku. Ndio. Okay guys. We look the best place where we can sit, and the restaurant's just right here. Okay. Sio ni Mirika.
Sinie.
Sio ni mtoto wa mama sister.
Sasa nakataa nini?
Sema ni Mirika.
Ulikuwa unaitwa na ile jina lingine?
Kwa
Niko poa. Si upe chai.
nini?
Tulete chai.
Chai na nini? Balance budget yako.
Leta chai na chapati.
Chapati ngapi?
2.
Wewe.
Mimi niko sawa. So guys, I need to show you the reality. You know, like he just pull up me in Border Town, like, hey, I need $50. I told him no man, maybe food. Kwani chai ni kuiva good? Siapa chai ni mbao, chapati ni mbao. Ono riengeri kumi.
Si abonu stini. Ni stini ne yako. Yako bora.
Mora.
Stini hizi kukosa.
Life is hard outside here. 60 is a lot. Eki akapirikio mama. Mirika nure mkubwa.
Ile mezoona muitaka kangine.
And guys, try to imagine these are containers house from down up to top. You know. Yaani kitu nilijengwa tu hapa na tofali lizo choo. The rest they are containers. You know,
Kando.
mobile shop, clothes shop, we have restaurant down, even barber shop, and also I see Jumia office. Maybe you book things online. You see right there, pickup station, Jumia. Bado sijaona Kilmon hapa Sirai.
Siko huko chini.
Uko kwa gorofa.
junction huko.
Ya Kihanjo.
Junction ya Kihanjo kama unaenda Kihanjo. Hapo tu.
Oh. Yeah, guys, this is a fantastic business. Only container. This chapat. You like chapat?
Yeah, chapat.
Hey, you're the carpets.
Chapated.
You enjoy.
And chapat and tea.
And tea. Enjoy,
Yeah.
bro.
So
Totally.
this is how we do it. We take it.
Guys, my videos, it's raw and uncut. Nothing to be hide. If you talk shit on my videos, I'm just upload the way it is, you know. Mr. Johnny, enjoying life. Yeah. There is me what I believe. You can't run life without money. Everything's money, you know. Okay. I'm so tired, guys.
Manyinyi wa wanzo wole. Kanishere.
No, it's for my family. The rest we dry them in the sun and then the following day, poop. Tutakausha zingine kwa jua.
Kwa jua. Aje sana.
Si unaziweka zinakauka tu. Kesho unaziweka jikoni.
Nanua nini makobe
Nansaga.
umezichanganya?
Sienda na nitoke. Pikipiki yako iko sawa? Jumia nataka kwenda. Or I wait till you finish.
Sio lazima.
Sio kwenda. Sira?
Sio lazima usikilie.
Should I wait you or not?
Tunenzi mwe.
Mbona kaona kao? Yeah. I'm telling you, like, guys, me can't tolerate like money for liquor, never, because my family are Christian, we are Roma, so we never do that. Alright? No money for what? No money for? No money for liquor. Little young boy, baby. Hey, look. You enjoy, my brother.
Sawa. I'm good.
Yeah, enjoy. Instead of maybe buying you liquor, I buy you food. You know, you eat, and then yeah. Rather than taking liquor, even me, guys, I can't be allowed to my family. You know, so how should we, guys? How am I going to start like buying liquor? Never, guys, never. I never do that. Guys, right now I'm sitting like a donkey. Imagine the whole of this bag, fruits, veggies. Let's go. Slowly. Go border town. Okay. Let's move. I wanna make my mom to be proud. And mom, thank you so much. My God bless you. Right now we made it, man. We made it, man. You know. Okay, boss. No, we tried to make it, man. We made it. All of this truck have been packed here. Whoa, look at that. Super amazing, man. And actually, this Rwanda's truck, you know. East Africa, the combination of Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, East Africa, you know. So for now I'm moving, heading to my village, and I want to see my mama reaction, you know. That's how border town looks like, you know. Everything's super cool. Right. Socorro! Fresh! See, that's a hardware right here. Whoa! So I love to take this view from this side because you know it's attract, like bringing tension, man. You know. Whoa. So guys, I'm from Border Town, heading home, and like the biggest budgets we normally run to Border Town, and then the small budgets, man, we do it in Nyabohan, so this cooperative bank, Equity. So they are selling one tall building, you know. So let's go. Even guys, the lady who sold me some food, they told me this beetroots, fruits, and you blender it, you drink the juice, it's add blood. Anyway, let's do like that, man. And I hope one day, guys, I'll show you the picture for my dad, because I heard people saying, hello baby, nowadays you add more weight, I'm showing you my dad and my mom back here. You compare and then you see. So that's police station right there. I was making my first bike here, the Honda, on this show. So the video is out. I'll show you guys, you know, like that picture, you know, for my dad, and then you compare me and my dad, you see the difference, you know, like when you see my body for my dad, man, even you can't maybe explain it, you know, because like, man, because I was maybe in hard life, but nowadays God opened the door, I'm still enjoying life. Hey, look, that young boy with a bicycle right here. That's and I don't know, guys, the guy for the internet, because yesterday they've been, you know, joining God's Town. Yesterday they've been joining the Wi-Fi to the next, you know, politician guy, and my Wi-Fi didn't work. So I need, you know, to solve that issue out, because yesterday I haven't used my Wi-Fi and I paid the money, you know. So V-Power shell right here. Hey, you know, attacked. Hey. Wagwan. Whoa. Okay. I see one of the guy, you know, the police were being, you know, like chasing him out with illegal stuff, and then the guy chuburu running to other side. Nowadays police are very strict. Police are very strict, you know. That's hidden roof. When I finish building my mama dream house, I will build for my brother and guest room for my visitors, like the guest room for my, like I wanna say the visitors room and my brother, two of them, the hidden roof like that, and then light. You wanna say rich for life, and guys, I say, God, thank you for the gift of life. I'm still alive, having good health, you know, helping my family as I can. And it's through you guys, you make it possible. You know, without you, maybe we could sit outside there hanging like crazy, you know, and interact with like crazy group, you know, things like that. But right now, I thank God, I'm just alone doing my own thing, you know. Yeah. It's one friend of mine from US made it possible. The whole shopping of this that you see here. So we wanna stand here and let's go. So she made it possible, you know, like, hey, you know what, hello baby, having this. Oh my god, that's a way breed, you know. Wow. So even I can eat this bumpy banana, we call in Jamaica, you know. It tastes very sweet, you know. And I love the cucumber. In fact, you know. Thank you so much, my friend, for your full support. I really appreciate even my neighbor also right now. Having you know, some veggies for their family. And yeah, we appreciate. So a day like this, my mama, she never like having clue what's going on, you know. Me, I just pull up with bags and bags of shopping here. This first one, second one, you know. Hey. That's the guy, you know, having my money for the bricks, but he didn't pay me the money. He gave me 10 bags of cement, and then, you know, like, when I take action, they will suffer in jail, because they see me, I'm so good, so calm, and all stuff. But anyway, me, I'm just, you know, like, chill, wait my money. Because right now I just, you know, demand from him $200 because he paid me $100, and he didn't pay me money exactly. He gave me the cement, 10 bags of cement. You know. Let's go. Anjir sedek. Guys, my neighbor was very happy because I support him with some veggies for $1, so he was very happy and appreciative. Yeah, even me, guys, I have been supportive. Why not? I should support people in a good manner, like in terms of food. I don't maybe eat food and my neighbor sleep hungry. Never. Okay, this is our local shop that we have here, and maybe something small when it's missing. Normal brand this shop, and it's closer to my home. Maybe in future I'll put for my mom small business, maybe a posho mill machine. We're gonna go, man, and I'll just do it with one heart, you know. Yeah, that's the guy with KK. The guy with KK, he normally, you know, bring material to my home. The hardware that I show you in Border Town on this vlog, you know. Yeah. Heading home. Yeah. Like my bike, they really supporting me around, you know. Even today I could pay the guy, border rider, but when I have my bike ready, boom, let's go. Yeah. Okay. when God say yes, nobody can say no, you know. I just trust and believe my dream come to reality. Yeah, let me hold. Yeah. That's your wife. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I treat you because you have a family.
Yeah.
So this some it's in Saka Chare.
It's in Zaga Makul Bazi.
Jonyo igomba. Yeah. Akenya ndo kotoreri kochi. Yeah. Tamba tuigo ankopa kiko am.
Nanga mbili ndo sere.
Ambo turichin sai magacha kolai. Sana na habe ubimo kya mogondo. I wanna call my mom. Just come. I wanna see my mom's reaction on this video. And one of my friends made it possible, man. Oh man, you know, this is where I came from, you know. Like we try, you know, to transform our home step by step. I can't wait to see a mansion here, you know. Yeah. I'm better than my mom. Mom! I see my mom right there. Whoa. Yeah, man. We're back home. Oh, you had no. Hey. Otangwan! I see my mama. No one who tastes this. I'll grind the juice and also this cucumber. I buy some avocado because we have veggies inside here. Look. Whew. Hari church bondo kere.
Not.
The small round eye. I don't know, guys, whether my wife is working. I don't know. Let me test. Maybe they have already do it, and I never knew, man. Oh, man. Oh my god. Guys, look, my Wi-Fi didn't work. I don't know. Connect without internet. That's my mama from the farm. Yeah. Kuravitan. You like this, ma'am? Morning, ma'am.
I am fine.
You're good?
Fine,
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Aya. You know what? Mama, rafiki moja nitumia shilingi sasa nikanunua shopping. So I'm telling my mom, one of my friends from US sent me money to buy fruits and veggies. So it's my evidence on videos and I do it. Unaweza semaje mama kwa mtu anaye?
Asante, abarikiwe.
Yeah, I'm just asking my mama how do you feel for the somebody who made it possible? My mama say thank you so much, my friend, and may God bless you a million times. So look, where is the gambut, mama? Mbona huna gambut?
Nilitoa.
Mama, I'll take the gambut and then I store in my. I buy for you gambut, Ah, mama, no. Don't disappoint me. No, mama. Yaani usinikasirishe. Mama, nakununulia gambut hauvai. Eh? Mama, no. No. Guys, at this point, I want to be strict to my mom because she went to the farm, no gambut, and I buy for her some new gambut. Anyway, it's your life. Hiya. Toa mzigo. A lot. Look. Okay, let me help you this. There's some veggies here. Kuna kunde, kuna nsaga. Swega na nsaga. Because guys, we have two categories of veggies. Like this one right here, and also I think, let me show you guys. I'm going to start. See this? They're two like different, guys. You see this? Let me show you. Look, this and this. This one has it has some broad leaves, and this one here, like, you know, small leaves, not, you know, like broad. I mean large leaves and small leaves. You know, this one we call it swega, the large leaves, and this is saga. All of them are veggies. So for me, I wanna, you know, like, I'm happy for my mom. All right, guys. So we shall meet on the next videos, and yeah, it's a blessed day. So there's no need like to open up, putting down, because I bought those things from Border Town on camera, and then you see them. Look, it's a bigger bag from down below here up to top notch. Look, but this one here, it's got veggies and also some tomatoes. Hiya, man.
Hi.
Well, guys, it's all morning over here, and right now I'm just around at my village. So I had the call from one of my driver who drive my first bike, and actually there's some stuff so which are going to fix it out, and I'm still waiting him because there are homes around within here. So yeah, let's see, guys, how things go. You know, I wanna be around because I left my bike on the road. You know. Yeah. Anytime you wanna pull out. You know, it's 8:11 a.m. and that's my local time. So today's on Tuesday, date 7 October, day of 2025. It's the year of success. So let me try to call him again because I don't want to waste time here. And I have some stuff I want to do. And these videos, when you watch from my introduction, yeah, there's a call from him. Hello.
Ayole.
Okiorongo hano.
Aya, noranyoli mbenya bwana ni jese toyego kingara leo kiritiga ni nyabo ni nyichaenda tinat no kama sentigana.
Tambe nguchande nyabo.
Bangu unyanyolo sara.
Aya, sasa mbodu ke kufix.
Tiani gotora bora ngani nyichaenda ya bora ni onaenda
Kanambe msini anera no ankore oda tiani chenkore oda. So he went to Nyabohanse, and I'll show you guys because I don't want, you know, like taking things here and there. So let's go. Oh, I locked my bike. It's crazy. So he used another route. So because their homes is around here, going this way he can go to Border Town, but he used another road on my home there, going to Nyabohanse. So he told me just run around at Nyabohanse. So maybe we shall meet there, guys. You know, stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm still going on, heading this way. Woo! With my bike. Let's go. African home. Look, I admire that house. Kijana, miaka ni miangapi? Oh my god. Oh. But Staboni, jobo tu. That's school right here. Where is that? Yeah. So I'm keep going, guys, and I wanna meet you back, guys, right now. Alright, go ahead. I'm around at Nyabohanse, you know, so wanna solve some issues here and there. That's rental house right there. Woo. Blessing every time, man. I'm telling you, pressure, man. That's how Nyabohanse looks like, man, you know. Okay. So guys, this is my guy here. Keno? Allah?
Mahara kumbege tule na nyora Kenya atukuma
150. Akina uchagore ketambe. This is my guy here. Amambe mbacha. Kuma kyo nikenga pantole.
Ni kenge mutoni.
Kuma tu nikenge keko.
Hansi tu niketambe kana nikebebe.
Akoma.
Ko adija kyo. Ni bantori.
Eh, Mr. Zaka. Wagwan, man. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Sasa. Hello. So guys, now we are heading to Border Town, and we're gonna fix it right now. The clutch, I mean this stuff right here. So you know. So that's construction taking place. Yeah. Hey. So let's go, guys. It's cold there, and we're fully outside. So guys, I don't know where I'm going to start, but I'm keep pushing my videos, you know.
I'm riding the bike without clutch.
Yeah. We're going to fix it. Alright, grandma. You going, guys? Yeah? Right, let's go, guys, you know. So it's extremely cold. You need to wear like heavy jackets, like you may wear 2 of them, blue and this combat here. puede tú. One man. And the blessing. Anytime, man. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, this is your boy Hello Baby. Support me as you can, man. I'm telling you, you know. So right now I'm heading this way. We're gonna check the mechanic and fix some stuff here and there. Yeah. And always thumbs up, man. Thumbs up, you know. Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. We're gonna fix the clutch. Yeah, Honda. Kirashie cable. Kasa shikana. Hiyo ni 100. Kura 100. So guys, we want to fix this stuff because this is a clutch cable. Get some problem. Eh? So no, na just. Clutch cable. Blame zero ni 100. Imagine guys, this is a clutch. So, hey. Right now we're fixing new one. Yeah, no problem.
Diga muku ano ke muku da kana biga. Diga no ore muke kiko. Amuire ndako. Mukunga. Wari usikora ko tukumujawab.
No.
Mukunga.
You see guys, this one gets some problem and then we fix the new one here, you know. Maneri kwa nini tono nirenga?
Yeah.
No.
Ma tukumia nani?
Original?
No shige fuyi. Aburu kama ndio mara hivi.
Tono second hand tutor.
Kwa nini unilibe?
Ambo yarre.
Tiga tu ma. Tiga ma tu tori mita box.
Tora bi mita box.
Antori mita. Tahu kau
Na bengo somme.
Dia mikir ada tu tori tu mangga raso. Tora mau nonceng.
Kani rengo ngaje bika.
Pesa nyingi sana. Taka kura.
Tunachomona raiko takuninsi. Tutora mi mita box.
Tori mita box.
Moreno. Iyo ako ya kai.
Tona yo.
Tano ni wa.
Cara semua banyak.
Okay, this one is something else, you know. So that's the waste.
Dia ai hon. Uni mana nak kasih oh. Musuh mana aku tu?
Karena ni guys turun man.
Bora tana kama yang kusuri.
Christopher, njoo kwanza uzungushe tairi uone ujue kama ina ndani labda ya sare kautama nye.
Hata.
Tabude man.
Kusuri kwanza kwa.
Kalau betul atur tu. Itu. Kereta ini. Hujan. Ambil saja kereta.
Mtega ataika nomor kwa kanda. Ape. Utaacha ama kuna auto.
Soma aja turanu hii.
Ona hii.
Shikaji kama
Ona hii. Inaitweje? Mita cable. Guys, African lane.
Unataka nini hii ama?
Kama hii sasa
Ona
kutoka hapa kwa mita. Ona hii kutoka hapa. Inaingia hapa.
Tabude musoma kama ngu isuri ere.
Nenda hivi. Muona ratu fiksi. Msoma no mufundi. Baba koraga na matumbo. Hasani karibu rone karaga no mutere na matumbo.
One last small stuff. There are 2 people working on this side.
Moto igirachi kono nengan.
Iga?
Gurigi.
Manu. Imagine, guys, we shared the name. You know, I'm Emmanuel, you know. Manu. Ga?
Katiro kwa masungu mkuru.
Kana mole.
Ke.
Kana hana ratembo. You inaitwaje?
Katiro kwa masungu.
Say hello.
Inaitwa dashboard.
Yes. Usha ziko kedamu. We, tatu mbotoro manga nkusomere. Amukwelisa gotoreke. Kana kena kyo.
Maki nata mudi onanga chasu ila. Mami te bukini.
Ara makamukaze ha mukazi wa hara muto.
Na mama ika kino hano mangu ture kile nini na yanga ko.
Ina kwa wapi?
Akuma kama ngo somere. Yeah. Yeah?
Kwa sasa ifanye kazi.
Haifanyi.
Haifanya. Naizungushi. Hapo ungea hivi yake kuzungusha ungea.
Ndata kuzungusha wango sere dada. Tana hajosa mbaki isuri.
Yataka nirenga.
Aya. Ora que vai tu. Ah, sou tu corre.
Tata msa bata motora ambeke.
Hapa kafanya. Kidi hapa iko ifanye.
Ya tata msa. Tamuswari ambeke.
Está comigo.
Nengo teka before abe Manuel atandre. Ako tepika sasa. Kita ako soma. Kita ako surya. Tewa man. Anyway, we shall meet on the next vlog, guys, you know. Alright guys, so I'm heading home right now and I'm from Border Town, so I'm gonna check how things go, you know. And actually I was coming from the Lota Wi-Fi office. Babu! Babu means grandfather. Babu is a Swahili word, you know. And for those who want to learn Swahili, Babu means grandfather. Yeah, man. We are going this way. Heading to my village home. Super amazing, guys. Where is it? Kurengan. Wow. So guys, I'm still demanding my money right here. That guy, I don't know, but one day I'll take action. They will start complaining, oh, that and that, you know, this and this. Kids have been sent from school. Right guys, hey, it's sucking the milk like crazy. Come and say hello. I see my brother. And right now let me check the time. Ho. It's 9:12. What's happened? Why do you around at home?
I have been sent money.
Sent money?
Yeah.
Only you?
Yeah.
Oh. How much?
1,000.
Okay. Did my mom sort you out?
No.
Okay. You go. So I just pull up at home and I found my brother being sent from school. So that's how everything it is. But you know, he was going to ask the permission. And yeah, wow, it's sucking, man. Look, there's our newborn baby calf. Hey, and I'm telling you, man, what a beautiful, what a beautiful day and blessing, man. So this calf, it will be maybe from this stage and to another stage until when looking like their mother. So right now, let me see how things go inside. And I just wake up early in the morning, so that's the reason why I'm wearing this jacket. Wow. See you on the next vlog, guys. So anyway, we're coming at the end of these videos, and I want to say thank you so much by watching my videos. So this is your boy Hello Baby Official. So I'm so grateful, man, for each and everyone who wish me like more success, and may God bless you, give you longer life in this world. Keep supporting me and also support the rest, guys, as you can. So and thank you so much, my friend. You made it possible. I don't want to mention your name here, but it's my privacy. When I just wake up in the morning, it's like a miracle. So man, I have solid subscribers outside there who take care of my family, and I appreciate, man. Without putting my family on my on my YouTube channel or social media, no one could know about our struggle. But through you guys, you stand with my family, and nowadays they are enjoying. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye bye.